Aray ko, ang sakit, ang sakit. Ikaw pa naman sabihan ka na tanga. Ang sakit. Ang sakit, DDS vlogger, ang sakit. Ha? Masakit, no? Masakit pag sinabihan tanga, no? Oh, ano ngayon? Luha more. Fake news ngayon. Iyak later. Yan ang pinakahintay ko mga kaidol, no, sa mga DDS vlogger mga kaidol, no. Oo. So ngayon nag-iyakan na mga kaidol. Oh, yan po. Yan yung mga DDS vlogger. Kulang pa, no? Maluwang pa ang House of Representative, maluwang pa. Oh, yung mga DDS vlogger dyan. Oo. Oh, magpahuli na kayo at pupunta kayo sa Tricom or Quadcom, House of Representative. O, punta kayo doon, magtambak kayo doon mga DDS vlogger, palakpakan. Pangalawa mga kaidol, pangalawa na. Oh, ito ang pangalawa mga kaidol. Umiiyak din to mga kaidol. Panoorin natin mga kaidol, nakaka-excited mga kaidol. Oh, panoorin natin mga kaidol.
In that picture, and I was told that this is the daughter of the former president. Now you said, yung anak ka ng presidente, kapatid ka ng VP, mayor at congressman, pero kailangan mo magbenta ng deodorant sa TikTok with matching actual application of deodorant sa kilikili mo because sayang ang pera para may pambili ka ng luho. Samantalang ang anak ng mga congressman lang na kung sino-sino nag-aaral abroad sa Europe at Switzerland at walang alam sa buhay, akala hardworking lang ang kanilang mga magulang. I would like to understand this. I would like to understand what you feel about this. Now you tell us right here in this committee, anong ibig sabihin nitong impression na ito?
Mr. Chair, respectfully, I would like to say that there are many congressmen whose children live lives that are far beyond what their son and of their parents have.
Well, Mr. Chair, to inform Ms. Crisette that I have 3 children, and they never went to Switzerland to study.
Yes, sir. Not you.
Okay.
It's not you, sir.
All right, not me.
Yes,
so
sir, not
therefore,
you.
who are you referring to?
Sir, I would not...
You give us names. Who are you referring to? You made a statement that there are a lot of congressmen. Therefore, you tell us now, who are you referring to?
Sir, Mr. Chair, respectfully, my counsel does not want me to mention.
Your counsel is wrong. You made a statement, samantalang ang anak ng mga congressman. You made that statement, maraming congressman. So I'm asking you right now, sino-sinong congressman yun na may mga anak na nag-aral sa Europe at Switzerland na walang alam sa buhay? Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Yun ang impression mo, di ba? All right, you tell us now. Because that is not only an impression, Mr. Chair. She is telling us something that she believed to be true.